Here is the Milwaukee M18 Inflator, a compact tire punch that packs a serious punch. Built tough but smart, has a 36-inch hose and onboard storage for nozzles so you don't lose parts or drag cords around. It comes with 3 different nozzles. The actual nozzle, a needle, and an adapter. True Fill technology. Checks your tire pressure automatically and waits for it to stabilize and fills it to your preset PSI. So you can go to your memory. You have 4 different settings for there. And you can set your PSI on what you want. Hook it up to the car tire, hit the button, and it will automatically fill it to that. Anti-vibration feet actually makes a difference in pumping. It doesn't walk around all over the place. All you gotta do, take your cap off. Once you turn this on, it'll automatically read how much pressure is in the tire. So we're pretty much right where we want to be. For show and tell, we'll up it to 32. Just like that, it's done. Put your hose back away. And that's it.